Hey everyone, Doug here with a new quick fix for Big Red Pen. In this quick fix, we'll be looking at the subject. The subject is one of those fundamental pieces of any complete sentence. When paired together with a verb, you get what's called an independent clause, something that can stand alone as a sentence. But what is a subject? To put it in basic terms, the subject is the doer of the sentence, is the noun that does the action. Let's take a quick look at some examples of subjects in sentences. I love writing. Jess runs. After work, we should get dinner. Can you list off all the subjects in the examples? Remember, the subject is the one that is performing the verb. In the first example, I am the subject, while the verb is love. Writing is the object, which we covered in yesterday's quick fix. Check the link in the description for that. In the second example, we have one of the most basic sentences you can have, just a subject and a verb. Jess is the subject and run is the verb. Nothing more, nothing less. In the third example, the subject is we. Get is the action coupled with the auxiliary verb should. And lastly, dinner is the object. Most of us know what the subject of a sentence is without really knowing what a subject is, but understanding the subject can be very helpful when trying to weed out passive writing in your work. Come back tomorrow to learn more about active and passive writing, or if you're watching this after the day it's posted, check out the description for a link. Think you understand the subject? Leave a comment below with a few sentences that use the same subject but different verbs. Don't start all your sentences with the subject either. Get creative. And if you like these quick fixes, leave us a like and subscribe for more ways to improve your writing. This was Doug with Big Red Pen. Happy writing.